Standard 7, Unit 2, Activity 8A, Mega Ride. Gujarat is a progressive state. Ahmedabad is the largest city and center of business in Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. About 50,000 people every day travel between these two capitals, old and new. So, we need a good transport facility. The government of Gujarat planned for a new railway project. The government started a 2000 crores company for that project. The name of the company is Mega Metrolink Express for Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. The cost for this project is about rupees 1200 crores. This metro rail project has two phases. In the first phase, there will be 3 lines: north-south corridor, east-west corridor, and underground corridor. Total length of all the 3 lines will be 76 km. The north-south corridor will connect Ashram Road to Gandhinagar. This corridor will be 32.65 meters long. It will start from APMC Vasna on National Highway 8A. It will pass through Vasna, Paldi, VS Hospital and Town Hall. This line will cross the east-west corridor at Income Tax Junction. It will turn a little left near Koba Circle and will run towards Gandhinagar. There are 2 more junctions on this line, Info City and Gift City. There will be 31 stations on this corridor. Now, let us go on the east-west corridor. It will start from Kalupur. It will run through the main areas of Ahmedabad. Then the line will turn south towards IT Circle. It will go towards Commerce Crossing. Thaltej Crossing will be the last station of this route. It will be the terminus on east-west corridor. Total length of this line will be 10.90 kilometers. It will connect the eastern and western Ahmedabad. Most of the metro route will be on pillars and over bridges. This will be called elevated route. The travelers will enjoy the beautiful scenes in the town. It will be a lovely view to see metro trains running on elevated tracks. You will be able to travel without tickets in this metro rail. You can use smart card facility. You can enter a station with your smart card. You swipe the smart card at your exit station. The system will automatically count the travel charges. The trains will run without drivers. But you need not worry. Technology will take care of your safety. CBTC, communications based train control signaling technology, will make your travel safe. All the metro cars will be air conditioned. The train will travel at the maximum speed of 110 km per hour. Ready for the ride?